much time do you have to listen to me talk about my childhood?
You know, I feel like we might be here for a bit.
Okay, so it goes back to when I was. Let's start when I was
5 minutes.
5 minutes old. I remember the moment that I was 5 minutes old, and then at that moment,
really good memory.
Once I was out the womb, you know, and popped right out, the placenta cut and everything, I just knew that this world would be an uphill battle from 5 minutes old.
Cutting the placenta?
Yeah. Would you eat a placenta?
You know, if it's dried and then you crush it up into a little nice powder, it sure does sound like a good condiment. Nutritious too. Yeah. It's kind of like how reptiles eat their skin because it's nutritious.
I know that some people eat them after they give birth.
It's like fleshy gummy worms.
That's what it tastes like?
Mm-hmm, like flesh gummy worms.
Have you looked it up?
I looked it up. It's very, like, fleshy and then really scrumptious.
How is it prepared? I thought people ate it dry. People actually eat it while it's squishy and fleshy?
I mean, it really boils down to personal preferences. Like I said, you know, pun intended, you can boil it, you can steam it. You can do which is sometimes, you know, when you ask the doctor if you can have the placenta, they'll wrap it up instead of just throwing it as a biological waste. And then you can go home and cook it up, maybe put it in a nice little pastry. So instead of a red velvet cake, you can use it as natural food coloring.
Ew.
Why are you saying ew?
I don't think it's strong enough to be red velvet. The color on it?
No, it's more like brown.
Oh, it's brownish?
Mm-hmm.
How big is it? How much do you get if you bring it home with you?
It's like this big.
This big?
This big.
This big?
Mm-hmm, like this big.
That's pretty big. How many meals do you can get out of that?
Probably like 2. If you're having it as dessert size, then maybe you can have it for 4 to 5 days.
Do you think people is it a market that people try and get? You know, like what if one person really likes it and then they go around hospitals going like, "You gonna finish that?"
Yeah, that looks really scrumptious. So like, there are some people who need the nutrition. So every time they hear someone screaming as they give birth, they wait right outside, and then after they're done, they come in and ask, "Oh, hey, so I was wondering if you're gonna eat that." And then
me waiting after you give childbirth. That looks really good.
The game bugging?
I heard you screaming outdoors. Are you gonna finish?
If I walk, there should be.
Yeah, are you gonna finish that? Like, wow, how big is your kid? 3.5 kilograms. Wow, that's crazy. Imagine the size of the placenta.
You hear it?
That's a really big baby. So how big was that?
That's a high quality baby.
Wow, I